How to make iPhone photos smaller file size. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the icon in the middle. As you can see, you can find the image size over here. Here, tap on the share icon at the bottom left corner. You can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Choose the folder you want to save the photo to and tap on Save. Now, go back and open up the Files application. Scroll down and open the folder you saved the photo to. Once you're here, long press the photo and tap on Quick Actions. Over here, select Convert Image. From here, choose the file format. For example, JPEG. And then, choose the image size that you want. For example, small. Following these steps, you can easily make iPhone photos smaller file size.